Have you ever wondered why, even though you want to start something, even though you try your best for you to start to do something so you can have certain result that you are looking for, and even though you try your best, you can't have the result that you are looking for, or you gave up on the journey, on the thing that you're looking for? So today I'm going to show you one single principle. Once applied and understand, you'll be able to do the correct thing for the time required so you can have the thing that you were looking for. So in order for us to start that, we are going to start by the same foundation we always share. We always say that for you to create something or for you to change something in your life, you must apply this foundation, which is the be, the do, and the have. Okay? So we said, in order for you, like you and I know, for us to have something, okay? So for you to have a physical result, a certain work must be done. Okay? So you and I know that for us to have something, for you to have a physical result in your life, for you to attain certain material advantages, okay, for you to have certain result, certain work must be done. Now, this work that must be done, it requires a very simple key, which is consistency. Okay? So consistency is what is required for you to have a certain result, a physical result that you're looking for, right? So you must do the required thing for the required time for you to have the result that you're looking for. Now, where the problem is, most people, they are trying to do something without them being the person that can do the thing for the required time that is necessary. And what happens whenever they try that is, over time, eventually they'll fail, they'll give up, not having the physical result that they were looking for. You know why? Because they started doing the work that is required to do, but they can't do it for the required time. Why? Because they are not being the person that can do this thing naturally. Okay? So the correct principle should be, you must be the person, do the thing, and you can have the result that you're looking for. Now, I know most of you might ask, for example, how can I know if I am the person that can do the thing so I can have the thing? So how can I know by myself that I am the person that can do this thing for this required time to have the result that I'm looking for? So this is what we are going to show you here. Let me just erase the board so I can make you understand. All right, so for any physical result that you're looking for, we said that a certain work must be done. Now, this work must be done for the time required for you to have the thing that you're looking for. And for that to happen, you must be the person that can do this thing naturally and consistently for you to have the thing that you're looking for. Now, how can you be this person? One way for you to become the person for whom doing this thing is natural and normal for you to have the result that you're looking for, because this is where most people get it wrong. Because what most people do, before I get into it, what most people do is they are trying to change their mindset. They are trying to be prepared for them to do a certain work and for them to have the result that they're looking for. Okay? So what they're doing is they take a very long time preparing themselves. They take a very long time thinking about the thing that they should be doing. Okay? Thinking about the work that must be done. So they take a very long time thinking about it, preparing it, and they never take action. And for some of them that take action, after a certain period of time, eventually they give up. Okay? So that's the reason you must be the person that can do the required thing for the required time necessary for you to have the thing. Now, One way to be the person, and this is what most people avoid, and this is where the secret is, you must start doing the thing. One way for you to become the person that can do a thing naturally and consistently until you get the result that you're looking for is for you to start doing the thing. So preparing or thinking about the thing that you should be doing without you doing it is not going to bring you any result. So for you to see the result, you must start doing the thing that is required. Now, some people say that whenever I start doing the thing, I don't see result. There's two things that happen. And a very great guy, he mentioned that all work works. That all work works. So any work that is not working for you, if it's not working for you, it's working on you. Okay? So one of the way that you can be the person that can do a thing naturally is by starting doing the thing. It's not by thinking about it, it's not by preparing it or trying to make it perfect or trying to wait for the perfect time to start, but instead it's for you to start doing the thing right now. Because whenever you start doing the thing right now, it can either work for you or it can work on you. So whenever it works on you, eventually it works for you. Okay? Because by doing the thing, it works on you for you to become the person that can do the thing naturally and consistently. Okay? So by doing the thing on the way of doing it, by the habit of doing it, you'll become eventually a person for whom this thing will be natural and normal for you. Okay? So that is one way for you to become the person that can do the work and have the result that you're looking for. But if you're waiting for you to be the perfect person, if you're waiting for the perfect preparation, perfect time for you to start doing the thing, you have a very hard time having the result that you're looking for. Okay? So that's how it works. You start doing the thing so it works on you. So whenever it's working on you, on the journey, it works your mindset. Okay? So you will have eventually the mindset that is required for you to keep doing the thing naturally and consistently until you have the result that you're looking for. You will learn to have the patience and mindset that is required. Okay? So that's the way it works. Now, one more thing for you to understand is that whatever thing that you should be doing for you to have a certain result, if you keep thinking about it, like we said, you have the result. Okay? So you must start doing the thing. So it can work on you, so you can become the person for whom this goal is going to be natural for you to achieve. Because we always say that if you are at this moment, if this is you, okay, and we say this is your goal, there is a distance. Okay? So this distance is created by you projecting on your goals. Now, for you to have this goal, you must become the person for whom this goal is natural. We always take the sub example. Let's say that you're looking for $100 million now. There are a person in the world that already have $100 million and for whom it's normal to have $100 million. So you can relate that to any example that you could be thinking of, that any goals that you have is normal for another person. Why? Because they normalize it. It's normal for them. Okay? So you must become the goal so it can be normal. We have a video about it called How to Normalize Your Goal, so you can go ahead and check it out. But also scientifically, whenever you start doing the work that is required for you to have the result, scientifically, you eventually as well become the person. How is that going to happen? By the habit of doing. How can you expect to do something consistently and naturally if you never done it? What you have to do is to start doing the thing consistently, and for you to become the person that eventually will do it naturally and consistently. Okay? Because anything that you're going to have, it will be the result of the thing you do. Okay? And the thing you do, we always say, is the reflection of who you are. And we always divide the mind like that. We always say that we have the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. So we say the conscious mind is what you know, and the subconscious mind is what you are. And the subconscious mind always expresses in no time any content that it's stored on the subconscious mind. So if you want to use this machine, which is very, very helpful for you whenever you want certain result, because this machine expresses all the things that you are automatically and naturally without you forcing it. So if you want to leverage the subconscious mind, what you must do is to start putting some habit on it that will be helpful for you to get the thing that you're looking for. Okay? So, by becoming the person, you must start to do the thing. Because by doing it, it will transform you. It will transform your mindset. It will make you the perfect person that eventually will be able to do it naturally and consistently. And this is what is going to help you to have the result that you want to have. Okay? So that is my advice for you today. But I know that some people, it's very hard for them to install new habit on the subconscious mind. It's very hard for them to install new habits on the subconscious mind that can serve them to achieve what they want, or to remove the habits that are on the subconscious mind that are not supporting, that are preventing them to achieve the thing that they want. So that's the reason we've built for you a framework that can help you go through this process of change, because change is not a thought. Change is not a boost of motivation, it's not a boost of inspiration. So change is a process. So there's a step-by-step process that you must follow in order for you to change something in your life. Either if you want to start something on your finances or health or relationship, or if you want to stop something. Okay? So any change that is required for your life to improve, it has to do with the content that you have on your subconscious mind. And it's very hard, I know it's very hard for people to change that, because they are identified with the content they have on the subconscious mind. So they forgot that they are not the person, they are not their subconscious mind. So they are very separate. So you, as the pure consciousness, you qualified yourself with the content you have on your subconscious mind. And most people are identified with them, and it's very hard for them to let go of these habits, to let go of this behavior that are not serving them towards the thing that they want to achieve. And you and I know that there are some physical results that you're looking for. There are some physical habits that must be stopped, and some you must start. And this is where true change begins. Okay? So you must start working on your subconscious mind. If you want help, there is always a link on the description of the video. You can go ahead on a website and download the guide for free. There's a free guide that explains you, that helps you, that makes you understand how our framework of change mastery can help you to change the result that you have in your life. Okay? So it can help you to have better results. It can improve the quality of your life. So if you're interested, the link is always in the description below. But for now, my advice for you is to apply this advice I just shared with you, which is start doing what you have to do to get the result that you're looking for. Stop waiting for the perfect time, for the perfect moment to be the perfect person until you start what you have to do, because that will bring you no result at all. So go ahead and apply that, and then I'll see you on the next video.